Is your Fire TV device stuck on the Amazon logo? This frustrating issue is called a boot loop, where your device continuously restarts without ever fully loading. During a boot loop, your Fire TV gets trapped in an endless cycle. It shows the logo, attempts to start, fails, and then restarts again and again. This boot loop problem commonly occurs after automatic system updates that fail to complete properly, sudden power outages during critical processes, or when system files become corrupted. Don't worry, there's a simple first solution to try. The soft reset method can resolve minor software glitches and has about a 40% success rate. First, unplug your Fire TV device from power and wait at least 60 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully discharge and reset. Next, while plugging the device back in, simultaneously hold down the Select button and the Play/Pause button on your Fire TV remote. Keep holding these buttons as the device starts up. This soft reset method resolves many boot loop issues by clearing temporary system glitches. If this doesn't work, you may need to perform a factory reset, which we'll cover in the next section. When a soft reset doesn't work, a factory reset is your most powerful solution. This method has an impressive 85% success rate in resolving Fire TV boot loops, though it will erase all your data and settings. To perform a factory reset, you need to access the recovery menu. Start by completely powering off your Fire TV device. Then, hold down both the home and menu buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds while plugging the device back in. Once you successfully access the recovery menu, you'll see a screen similar to this. Use the directional pad on your remote to navigate to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option and select it. After the factory reset completes, your device will reboot and you'll need to set it up again from scratch. Now let's discuss how to prevent future boot loops from occurring. The first prevention tip is regular maintenance. Clear your device cache monthly and restart your Fire TV weekly. This helps prevent the accumulation of corrupted files that can cause boot loops. Power protection is crucial. Use a surge protector to shield your Fire TV from power fluctuations and outages that can corrupt system files during critical operations. Storage management is also important. Maintain at least 20% free storage space on your device. When storage gets too full, the system struggles to perform updates and maintenance tasks properly. Finally, keep in mind that device age matters. Fire TV devices over 3 years old are 60% more susceptible to boot loops due to hardware degradation. If you have an older device experiencing frequent issues, it may be time to consider an upgrade. By following these prevention tips and knowing how to perform a factory reset when needed, you can keep your Fire TV running smoothly and minimize the chances of encountering boot loop issues.